person's sport body work. This video is very similar to a previous video for the knee, ankle, and calf, but we're going to focus instead of on all these lower joints, these two joints here. The bottom of your spine has a bone called your sacrum. It's kind of like an upside down triangle. It sits between the right ilium and the left ilium. Two iliums create your pelvis. And so sacrum, sacral iliac joint. SI joint on the right, SI joint on the left. Who is this exercise for? It's for the person that either wakes up in the morning with a stiff back, particularly on one side of their lower back, or when they sit for a period of time and stand up and they have that, oh, it hurts right here. There's usually an imbalance in the glutes and hip muscles, hip flexors. This exercise starts to balance it out and give you stability in this area, right along these joints. When you're stable with both feet on the ground, you become more likely to be stable with one foot on the ground at a time. So the setup is similar. I want your hands on the wall. If you have the strength, you can do this straight up and down. If you don't, you create an angle so that you're pushing less of your body weight through gravity. Straight up and down is all of gravity. You change the angle, that's less gravity. So I'm going to demonstrate straight up and down. My core lifts and compresses my abdominal contents from the back all the way around. This is where you check in with your core, not your abs. The abs are part of it, but not the bulk of it. So the core goes right around. You want that to lift and compress. From here up should be relatively relaxed. Notice I'm still talking. Then you squeeze your glutes, which drives the hips forward as opposed to tilting your pelvis under or tucking your backside. We don't want any tucking, just hip extension. Open your hips here, and that core engagement keeps your spine neutral so that when you engage your glutes, you don't go into hyperextension. Again, like everything we go over, this should be pain-free. Muscle fatigue is fine. Anytime you work your muscles, they will get tired. You be the judge. Stay safe. So again, that's core, which lifts, decompressing your lower back, compresses your abdominal contents, squeeze those glutes, and lock out your knees. And here we go. Simply do calf raises. You want to work up to 3 sets of